Going to next menu option shown as D, which is the frequency of plotted data, you can click on it and witness a drop-down menu to show various time frames. These time frames denote the data to be plotted for each single bar on the chart. Starting from 1 minute, you can select up to 2 months for a single bar as per your requirement. If you look at the bottom left of the screen, you will notice a series of time frames from 1D to or. These options are used to display the amount of data for the time selected, meaning if you select 1D, then only data for that day will be displayed, and if you select 3Y, then 3 years of data will be displayed on the screen. The default amount of data displayed is of 1 year. The next menu option shows 2 vertical bars, and clicking on this option will list various options of how you want the data to be plotted. The default annotation is in the format of a bar, but other options, such as candles and line, can be used as per your preference. We will enhance your learning on using the charting feature with further tutorials.